Hey everyone, I'm Sarah with WTI, and I love my dog Honey, but I have to tell you I don't love her hair getting on everything in the house. And then when I want to wash her blanket or her toys, I have to worry about her hair getting on my washing machine, getting in my dryer. Finally, a solution to the problem of pet hair. That is a bag you can put your dog's things in and then wash them and dry them without worrying about transfer of hair or fur. This pet laundry bag from Joymaney goes right in my washing machine and then right in my dryer on low, so I can wash and dry my dog's blanket, her jacket, and her toys to her satisfaction, as you can see, but I don't have to worry about the fur and hair getting all over my washer and dryer. This pet laundry bag has been such a lifesaver. I want to keep Honey's blankets and her toys clean, but I always worry about the hair getting in my washing machine and then getting in my dryer. But now with this large capacity and very sturdy laundry bag, I'm not worried about that anymore. And the zipper is so secure that once it's closed, I know that nothing is going to get out. So the quicker I can clean things, then the quicker I can get toys back to Honey, and the happier we both are. And that is my point of view.